Oh no, this is where I went last time. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back at the little crawling heaven I found, stumbled across. James attempting the gravel pile. Got my MN99, which is running a 20 ampere C with the Austar AX6 transmitter receiver, and we've also got some C34 weighted wheels and tyres on there. Quite loose, isn't it? Oh, straight away. Can't even get up the get up that bit, but there. You get up there? No. Try these skivvy wheels, is it? I don't think if you can't get up there, I don't think these skivvies can.
It's just really loose. You might be better with a weight.
Yeah, got a bit more weight digging in, but oh, you might want to swap out with some glue tyres again, buddy. Spinning in the rim, but I got swap them over. I got them on the other truck over there. Very loose. Go on. Fight, fight. To the top, little Landy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Bit of wheel speed, James is up.
Just
pretty steep that is up there. They made it all the way up. I don't fancy coming down the other side, looks a bit steep. If he's a puddle, he's in it. Another tyre change. You really need to get some glue on here, but
yeah, I'll clean it and I'll
yeah, give them a bath, get some glue on. Swapping them over for the glued ones. Got a bit of an hill to try out there. Oh, I'm stuck. Where am I stuck on? There we go. So it won't take me, I'm stuck. I have to do a bit of reversing. My B24 chugged up there the other day. Very different line, I think. It's a silly steep. Pick your line carefully. Ooh. Digging in some tracks there. use a different line. There we go. What I don't like is if I left the throttle, this rig's going backwards. Yeah. No no motor brake. Oh no, this is where I went last time. Oh, good catch. That's in. Tricky standing here filming it. Them blue wheels are actually helping out there.
Oh my god.
Oh!
As soon as it spins round.
Yeah, as soon as it goes sideways.